Data science plays a huge role at Allstate. We are now using data and analytics really to inform decisions throughout almost every single part of the organization, from product, sales, operations, marketing, claims, and have really tried to weave fact-based decision-making into the very fabric of the organization.
Instead of standing on the shoulders of our peers from years past, we just spent months and months recreating the wheel, reinventing the wheel, and that was a huge waste of productivity. When we set up the pilot, we actually only planned to have 3 medium-sized projects inside the environment. All of the employees that were working on these projects started using the Domino platform for all their other projects. People were able to get onboarded onto their projects much more quickly because they spent less time fighting with their competing environment, getting it to match their peers. That actually had a pretty huge impact just even in the first couple of weeks.
If you can imagine a work life where code and data are scattered across different user folders and SharePoints, and now they're nicely organized in project folders which are tagged and revisioned and reviewed, that's how much better our life is with Domino.
We were really blown away by how much more productive people are with Domino. Since we've done a full-scale deployment, we've seen that multiply. You can see how your analysts have developed their code over time. You can start stealing their ideas without them having to be in the room. We're really excited about that because we think it's going to accelerate the pace of which we can innovate. One of the other benefits of Domino is that insurance is a very heavily regulated industry. So the auditability of going back to our analysis at any point in time was actually huge for us.
So that way you can show either senior management or a regulator how you got that number, but it also helps make data science in general a repeatable process by, say, importing projects or sharing code amongst the team.
The Domino team has been great. They've been very responsive to all of our feature requests.
Very high touch, very one-on-one, and it's very obvious they want us to be successful.
Ultimately, at the end of the day, we measure ourselves based on the value we offer the organization. And so the more projects we can get through, the less time and effort we have to spend relearning things we've learned in the past or recreating results is time we can spend creating additional value. The problem Domino solves is something that I personally have been trying to figure out a way to solve in both my career at Allstate and in other companies. It brings a software engineering discipline to data science. It allows reproducibility, it allows you to version your code, your data, and your computing environment. So it's been a win-win for us.